Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce at home. Making your own ranch dressing is surprisingly simple and tastes so much better than store-bought versions. We will start by combining the creamy base ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, and a 1/4 cup of fresh buttermilk to begin this delicious journey. Next, let's create our signature dry seasoning blend. This is where the magic happens. You will want to combine 1 teaspoon each of dried parsley, dried dill, and dried chives. Then, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. Finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for that perfect savory kick. Now it is time to bring everything together. Gently whisk your prepared dry seasoning blend into the creamy mixture of mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk. Continue mixing until everything is well combined and smooth. If you prefer a thinner dressing, slowly add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of buttermilk. For an extra zing, consider adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. The final, crucial step is to let your delicious homemade ranch sauce chill. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, for a few hours. This resting period allows all those wonderful flavors to fully develop and marry. Your fresh ranch is perfect for dipping vegetables, drizzling over salads, or as a fantastic accompaniment to chicken wings. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.